Hey guys, welcome back. I am Priyanka and you are watching Miss Priyanka YouTube channel. So friends, in this video I am going to share a summer makeup tutorial with you all. And the best part of this summer makeup look is that it is easily wearable, it's very practical, it's sweat proof, oil-free, long-lasting makeup. I'm going to share some very important and easy, simple tips and tricks that you must know before doing makeup during summer. So do watch this video till end. There are so many interesting stuff I'm going to show you in this video. Let's get started. So for sunscreen, I'm going to use Lakme Sun Expert SPF 30. So sunscreen is very important part of this makeup, especially during summers. It will protect your skin from getting damaged from UV rays and direct sunlight and all that pollution. So it's important to apply firstly on your face. I will also apply this sunscreen on my neck and my ears, on my hands, everywhere which is exposed to the direct sunlight. Make sure that you apply it behind your ears. So friends, after applying the sunscreen, you need to wait for 20 to 30 minutes and then you can start your makeup. And next product that I'm going to apply on my face is MAC Prep and Prime Makeup Setting Spray. This is liquid based product and it will just hydrate my face. It will add a glow to my face. It will also shrink my skin pores and also prepare my face for the next step of makeup and make my makeup and the products that I'm going to apply on my face long lasting. So it's very important product. You spray it on my face and I'll wait for 2 minutes to get it absorbed and dried on my face. You will see how. So this just refreshes my skin. As you can see, it also adds a glow on my face. So I think MAC Prep and Prime Setting Spray is now set on my face. As you can see, it feels a little bit sticky on my face, but it has just sealed my sunblock and also prepared a nice base for my makeup. And it will also make my makeup sweat proof because it will just create a nice barrier between my skin and my makeup or the products that I'm going to layer over my face. I'm not going to apply any foundation or BB cream on my full face because it's summer and I really want to keep the makeup very minimal, foundation free, and I don't want to layer it with a lot of makeup products because if you layer a lot of products, of course there is chances of getting melted and blended and it's very hard to manage so many makeup products loaded on your skin during summers. So I want to keep it simple but natural and also looks glowy. So to achieve that kind of skin but in your better condition, I like to use this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. I will start from the T's area like this. It will take off any excess of shine from your face if you have oily skin or excess of shine that you get because you sweat on your face. So friends, you can see the result of this primer on my face right here. For this makeup look, of course I don't want to use concealer, but just to show you guys, if you want you can use the concealer. I'm gonna apply my MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette. I will apply it on my underneath my eyes. So yeah, so I will take this color and I will apply it under my eyes just to brighten up. During summers this concealer won't crease because this is long lasting concealer and it has full coverage. So in this case, with this concealer you just need to work with very less quantity of product and you will get better coverage. Next I'm going to take the yellow shade in the same concealer and I will slightly brighten up my under eye area. I'm just going to go apply this over the previous concealers like so. I will also apply the concealer on my eyelid to hide any kind of pigmentation or something on my eyelid. It will also prepare my base for the eyeshadow application, as you can see. So with the brush I'm applying it. I'll also apply the concealer on my eyebrows just to highlight my eyes area. Whatever is left in the brush, I'll go ahead. And next I will quickly set my under eye area with LA Girl Pro HD powder. This is the makeup setting powder. It's a loose powder. So during summers I like to use this kind of loose powder. It works best to set any kind of cream based products. That's what we need during summers. Good setting on your face. I'm using this kind of brushes for very precise and neat finishing. I will also set my eyelid with the powder. It's very important, guys, otherwise. Next I'm going to set my rest of the face with the same powder. This is the loose powder. This will make my makeup sweat proof and it will seal the base. And next we will move on to the eye makeup. So I'm going to share a very important tips with you all for the eyebrows. To fill in your eyebrows, if you use any kind of powder based fillers on your eyebrows, or you used only cream based eyebrow pencil, then there are chances, guys, that it will start melting and it will vanish from your eyebrows, or it will just smudge here and there during summers due to that sweat and heat. So it's always good to firstly do your eyebrows with cream based product and then just set it with some powder based thing, which will help the cream to stick on the base for longer time. Because if your eyebrows get smudged, it looks horrible. It can ruin your makeup. So guys, make sure that you do that. So firstly I will comb my eyebrows and then I will fill in my eyebrows with eyebrow pencil. Of course, this is the cream based eyebrow pencil, you can see. So firstly I will define the shape of my eyebrows like so. Next I will blend this cream thing with the help of this brush like this. I'm just combing my eyebrows. And I'm going to take the dark brown eyeshadow and I will set my eyebrows once again with this powder based product. I will redefine my eyebrows with the same concealer. I will just go ahead and clean my eyebrows if there is any extras. So guys, as you can see, I cleaned my edges of the eyebrows, and that's all small little tips and tricks that you need to follow in order to make your makeup long lasting. So for the eye makeup, we will follow the same thing. We will firstly use some cream based stuff on the eyelid and then we will set that with the powder eyeshadow. So I have this cream eyeshadow palette. I'm going to apply this color firstly on my eyelid. I want the eyeshadow to be a little bit shimmery and glowy and shiny because it's summer, so of course we all need that glow on our face, like so. Make sure that you always apply the cream product that is matching with your eyeshadows. So yeah, do that. This is brown color, matte brown, and I will apply it on my natural crease. I'll take the same brown eyeshadow and apply it to my lower lash line. And I'll blend it. And next I'm going to take a deep brown eyeshadow, this one. I'm just blending it. I'm placing this color right below the eyeshadow, the light brown eyeshadow. And next I'm going to apply this light pink eyeshadow over the cream base that we have applied over the cream eyeshadow. with my fingers I will do that. I'm setting the cream eyeshadows with the powder so that my eye makeup stays for longer and won't melt and smudge. Next I will take the same pink eyeshadow on the flat tip brush and I will apply it to the inner corners and of my lower lash line. And so for eyeliner I'm going to take Maybelline gel eyeliner because this is smudge proof and it sets matte on your eyelid. I'm creating a tiny wings. And next for the we will finish the look with mascara, and for that I'm going to use Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm going to use the waterproof version of that. It comes in two different versions, one is waterproof and one is the normal washable thing. So I'm going to use the waterproof one to add a very nice volume and drama to the look. So firstly I'll curl my lashes. It's optional, if you want you can curl it or you can just apply the mascara directly. And a nice twist to my lashes to make it fuller and long, and it will add volume to my lashes, which is awesome. I'll also apply the mascara on my lower lashes. And for the lipstick, I'm going to use my MAC mini lipstick. It's in the shade All Fired Up. Now during summers, it's always good to go with, a bright color lipstick, something that pops up, that is a little bit bold and looks pretty, because a lipstick is something that can easily change your look, and it is low maintenance things, which means if you want you can quickly do touch-ups and everything. And especially during summers where you cannot trust on your makeup base, where lipstick plays an important part, if you have nothing on your face also and just go ahead and apply a good color lipstick, it's perfect, you are ready to go. So that's why try to pick up lipsticks like good, bold and pretty colors. And for the blush, we will again create a cream base, and over that we will layer it with powder blush. I'm going to show you how. So I will take the same matte lipstick and I will apply it behind my hands like this. And then I'll take a foundation brush. I will pick up the lipstick. So this will stick to my skin and it won't move because it has that creaminess in it. I'll apply it on my chin slightly, on the tip of my nose. I'm going to take my Sephora colorful blush. It's in pink color. As we have applied very minimal cream based blush or cream lipstick on the face, we'll take very minimal of the blusher and we will just tap to remove any excess, and I will set my cream plus with this powder, as you can see. Now this blush will not move even if you sweat. So after the blush, it's time for highlighter, and for highlighter I'm going to wear this one, this shade. This is not in golden finish, this is something which has pearl finish in it, silver finish, on your face wherever you want to highlight. Of course it's summer makeup, so we need all that extra glow and shine on our face. I will also apply highlighter on my brow bone. So guys, I'm done with the highlighter, and if you want you can also add bronzers to the look if you feel like. And yeah, let me show you how I'm going to apply bronzers also. So I'm going to apply the Sephora contouring palette, and I'm going to take these two dark shades and slightly bronze up the whole look. This is just the additional step, and if you want you can keep the makeup like this, but I'll just add a little bit to show you guys. I'll slightly bronze the face to add some depth. It will also make your skin and face look slim. I'm gonna go on my jawline. So finally, to finish the look, I will seal the entire makeup with my MAC Prep and Prime makeup setting spray. Now this is very important step if you want your makeup to be extremely long lasting. So yes, I will apply it. It will also kind of, seal and melt all that powder product and help your makeup to get melted and blended into your skin. So this is more of like, to achieve all that professional things. So I'm gonna apply it. Hey guys, so this is the final look of my summer makeup, and I hope this video was helpful, and I hope I was able to make you understand the logic of how you can wear your own makeup products in a right way during the summers to make your makeup long lasting without any issues. And of course, I hope this video was helpful. I really love this makeup look. I think this is perfect to wear during summers. I have added slightly glitters into the look. If you want, you can keep it more subtle. If you want to transform the look again, you can add some more, glitters and, kajal and smoke the look. It's completely your wish. You can do the way you want. Of course, everything is waterproof and long lasting. And that's all guys. If you really enjoyed this video and find it helpful, then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on my Instagram to see a lot more pictures of this makeup look. Of course, I'm going to click a lot of pictures. So stay tuned and follow me on my Instagram so that we all can stay connected. Let me know if you have any queries, still if you have any doubt in the comment section. And yeah, that's all for this video. See you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.